Hi, my name is Haley Hevel, and this is my assignment 2 for MIT 806. So, my objectives for this assignment is that it can be modified for any grade. I created it with both first and third grade in mind because I've taught both of those. The overall objective is that students will be able to create 3 supporting details and a main idea. This does not need to be text dependent, but you can make it based on a text. This assignment meets the objectives because students must create 3 supporting details that coincide with a main idea and include images and/or a quote from a text that they are using. And we are using Prezi for this assignment. So students demonstrate their understanding through their proper alignment of the supporting details and the main idea. And this is also based off of my inventory from assignment 1 because I got to know how students felt about incorporating writing and/or a project with their reading. The instructions, if this is third grade, I would probably let students read these on their own. If it was anything under third grade, I would read these instructions to them and make sure that they knew what they were doing and go through my example. So after playing the game, Main Idea in a Bag, students will partner up with 1 or 2 people. Main Idea in a Bag is where I have about 5 brown bags and there are 3 pictures or objects inside each bag, and then students have to guess the main idea, and the main idea is taped to the bottom of the bag. So using Prezi, they will create a Prezi that follows the same format as the game. So their first 3 stops on their Prezi will be supporting detail 1, 2, and 3. They can use images, or if they're using a book, a sentence from the book. They need to make sure that they have page numbers. And then after their 3 details, the last slide should reveal the main idea. So much like the game, but now they are creating one themselves to show me that they understand. And then they will present at the end. So I have an example. Actually, I think, yep, right here. So this is my example. I'll bring this out. Perfect. And it starts with what is the main idea, and then my detail number 1, I have 2 dog leashes, and then what is it? It's a dog leash, and then I also included, I made this up, but it could be a sentence from a passage or a book, so an essential supply for walking your dog is a leash, page 4. And then my supporting detail number 2, I have dog food and dog treats. To clarify, what is it? Dog food and treats. Dogs require food to live. They also enjoy dog treats, page 2. Supporting detail number 3, I have 3 different pictures of golden retrievers, because I have one, on dog beds. What is it? A dog bed. Dogs need a good place to sleep. A nice dog bed or kennel is best, page 10. And then finally, after supporting detail 1, 2, and 3, main idea, what is it? I can make a guess. And then it's dog supplies. The main idea of the 3 objects is supplies used for dog care. And that is how students will show me that they understand. They will create 1, 2, and 3, and their last stop should be what the main idea is. And this mimics what we did in a previous game, so they are extending their knowledge on it and showing me that they can do it. I can push this out to them through Google Classroom. It's something that I did a lot in third grade. I would just put the instructions, maybe put a link to Prezi, and they would be able to go from there. So that is my assignment that I have created. I hope maybe you can use it.